Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well.
So, our today's topic is application. Question: write an application to the principal of your school requesting him/her to issue you a provisional certificate, character certificate. Application: the principal, ABC school, ABC area. ABC एरिया की जगह आप लोग जिस भी एरिया में रहते हैं ना, आप लोग वो एरिया लिखेंगे. अगर आप लोग नॉर्थ नाज़िमाबाद में रहते हैं तो नॉर्थ नाज़िमाबाद लिखेंगे. अगर नॉर्थ कराची में रहते हैं तो नॉर्थ कराची, या जिस भी एरिया में रहते हैं वो एरिया का आ जाएगा यहाँ पे नाम. ठीक है. डेट मैंने लिखी हुई है ABC डेट. ठीक है. अब डेट में जो है ना, आप लोग जिस डेट को भी एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे होंगे ना, वो डेट लिखेंगे. ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट: फॉर रिक्वेस्टिंग टू इशू अ प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट, करेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट. Sir, Madam, I wrote to you with extremely regard that I am a student of class metric. I appeared in the SSC Part 2 examination this year in the science group and passed the examination with A1 grade. I took an active part in games and other activities of the school. I was the captain of school cricket team. I was also a member of the debating society and a science club. Now I intend to join a college. Therefore, I request you to issue the provisional certificate of passing my SSC examination along with character certificate referring to my academic record, character and co-curricular activities. I hope that you will consider my letter. I will be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Your obediently XYZ. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.